Hello friends, welcome to Top Kids TV Show. Today we are going on a farm adventure. Many animals are hiding here, but first, press the subscribe button so you don't miss the fun. Let's go. Look at the red barn. Who is peeking out? Good job, you found it. It is a horse. Look at this beautiful horse running. Who is hiding behind the hay? It is something big. Yes, correct. It is a cow. Cows give us milk. Look behind the wooden barrels. I see pink ears. Who is it? Well done. It is a pig. Look at the piggy. Can you spot someone fluffy near the white fence? You are so smart. It is a sheep. So fluffy. Look up. Who is sitting on the roof? Great eye. It is a rooster. Someone is hiding near the wheelbarrow. Can you see the beak? Yay! You did it! It is a duck. Ducks love water. Who is guarding the farm? Look behind the pumpkin. Awesome! It is a dog. A dog is a best friend. Someone is sleeping under the tree. Look closely. Perfect. It is a cat. Who is hiding there? You are doing great. It is a goat. Look at those horns. And the last one. Someone very small is behind the crate. Tiny and gray. Gotcha. It is a mouse. It's so tiny. Wow, you found all the animals. You are a super farmer. Did you like the video? Like and subscribe for more games. See you next time. Bye-bye.